Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a pretty huge Scentsy haul for you guys. I am dropping stuff. This is all my stuff. This is not a customer order or PRV order. This is all stuff that I got from having a Scentsy party. So first and foremost, if you guys are interested in having a Scentsy party, definitely leave a comment below with your email address. I'd be happy to reach out to you guys. If you host a Scentsy party and get over $250 in sales, you get at least one half price item. The amount of items that you get does go up as your sales increases. You also get anywhere from 10 to 15% in free product. So all this was stuff that I was able to reap as rewards from my party, and I only had to spend $1.51. So let me move you guys in and show you guys what I got. I'm going to go ahead and start with the big box that went tumbling. So this is a diffuser shade. This is the Empower diffuser shade. Currently, this is in the clearance section for $12.50. Our diffuser shades typically run $50. So excellent deal on this. Do I have one of the Scentsy diffusers? I don't, but I went ahead and I picked the shade up because I recently reached shooting star status. Shooting star status when you are a Scentsy consultant is that if you do $500 in sales in your first 15 days, you get the opportunity to get an expansion kit for your seller's kit. It's like $200, but it's over a $300 value. Comes with a diffuser, it comes with a lot of other things, and I plan to keep the diffuser for myself. I definitely will be unboxing the expansion kit when it comes. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, the photo does not do this justice at all on the Scentsy website. So this is the Empower diffuser shade. It is a gorgeous iridescent, luminescent, lavender, purple, pink shade, and it has this gorgeous blue hue to it. I definitely plan on putting my diffuser in my beauty room. So like I said, I picked up this shade for $12.50. And go ahead and slip that back in the box so I don't end up breaking it. And then I will show you guys what else I got. So I have quite a bit of stuff to show you guys here. And I love each and everything that I got. So first and foremost, I did get the Blue Grotto bathroom cleaner. When it comes to Blue Grotto, I'm not crazy about this fragrance and wax melts, but I absolutely love this in the bathroom cleaner. It's a punch citrus scent, so it smells like fruit punch mixed with a lot of like orange and lemon in there. It's not a straight orange and lemon. I definitely think that it's toned down by the fruity aspects of that punchiness. Very, very nice scent. Lingers well in the bathroom, but it's not too overpowering, not too overwhelming. I also did pick up one of the kitchen soaps. This one is in Luna. Luna is a tried and true favorite fragrance of mine. Luna's been around forever. I have a feeling that Scentsy is going to be discontinuing the kitchen soaps because these are in the clearance section. None of them are priced at retail, so we might be seeing these disappear soon. So if you like the Scentsy kitchen soap, definitely stock up on it in case it ends up getting discontinued. So now let's get into some bigger and more exciting things. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with this. This is the Lily Garden. I am throwing stuff all around today. I got a serious case of the drops, and I don't edit, so you guys are stuck seeing my drops. So this is the Scentsy Lily Garden Mini Warmer. I seen this mini warmer, I fell in love with it. I wanted this for in my bathroom. I've also been wanting the blue mosaic tile one, I think it's called, or the blue tile warmer. And I'm definitely hoping that that goes down a little bit more in price in the clearance section because I want that one for my kitchen. This one I got for my bathroom. The Lily Garden warmer is absolutely gorgeous. I really wish they would have did this in a full size. So like all mini warmers, it does come with your base. So you have your plug-in base right here and you have your light bulb here. what's underneath is your shade. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my shade. This goes on top of the white base. And this is just so beautiful. So it is like an iridescent aqua. And it has these gorgeous flowers and filigree etched onto it. And like I said, that ends up sitting right on top of your base. So you put your bulb in, you put your base, and then your mini warmer ends up looking like that when it's assembled. Like I said, I'm going to put mine in my bathroom. The mini warmers are perfect for small spaces. So if you want to have a warmer in your laundry room, your bathroom, a little one in your kitchen that's not going to get in the way, I definitely highly suggest the mini warmers. And we have an expansive line of mini warmers. There is definitely something there for everyone. So the next item I'm excited to show you guys is the Scentsy Go. I was able to use my Hostess rewards and my half offs, and I ended up doing a bundle and save. So I did a bundle and save where it came with 2 of the Scentsy Go pods and the Scentsy Go for $50. Used my half off, took it down to $25. Like I said, I had Hostess rewards as well. So I believe I got everything for $1.51 that I'm showing you guys. So let me go ahead and crack this open. So inside you do have your USB charging cable. And let's pull this out and see what the Scentsy Go looks like. So they have one in silver and they have one in the rose gold. The rose gold was sold out in the bundle. You could buy it individually, but personally I wanted to do the bundle because it was a better value. So I didn't mind having a silver one. This does have color changing options, as well as it has 2 fan speeds for your fragrances. And the reason why I wanted this is because I have a home office down in my basement. I plan to use this mostly in my home office, but not just that, this is nice for the car. You can pop this in your cup holder and have this emitting a great deal of fragrance in your car. So let me show you guys the pods that I got with that. So like I said, it was a bundle and save and I was able to get 2 pods with it. So it would have been a $70 value. Got it for $50. Ended up using the half off from hosting a party. So the pods I got is Luna. Like I said, this is one of my tried and true fragrances. I absolutely love Luna. Oh, that smells so good. It kind of reminds me of Victoria's Secret Noir Teas. So a pod looks like that. It's filled with like scent beads in there. And these last for up to 120 hours of fragrance in your Scentsy Go. So they last a good bit. That's Luna. And I got like a tried and true for me. This has been around with Scentsy forever, as well as Luna. Black Raspberry Vanilla. This smells exactly like the Bath & Body Works Black Raspberry Vanilla that's been discontinued and you can't get your hands on it anymore. It drives me crazy. So if you miss your Bath & Body Works Black Raspberry Vanilla, come over to Scentsy and look up Black Raspberry Vanilla, because we have it, I believe, in almost our full line of products. And oh, that one smells so good. I absolutely love Black Raspberry Vanilla. I have it added to my subscription. You guys will be seeing my Scentsy subscription soon. My subscription comes every 3 months and I have 2 bricks. If you guys are not familiar with what Scentsy bricks are, they are 5.5 times the size of a Scentsy bar. They are hefty in size. I believe they're $23 each and you can only get them by signing up for Scentsy subscription. So if you're interested, I'll have a link below for my Scentsy. You can sign up for a party there, you can sign up for a subscription, or you can just shop among the link. But I have a brick of Black Raspberry Vanilla coming, and it comes every 3 months because I just cannot live without that fragrance. So speaking of bricks and bars, I have here 6 bars to show you guys. I did this on a bundle and save. One of my customers ended up wanting the Dachshund warmer. So I ended up adding 6 bars to her Dachshund warmer and doing the half off. That way I was able to profit a little extra off her order and be able to get me 6 bars. So first is Blueberry Pancakes. Oh, I love this. So literally, I get some cinnamon in there, I get the blueberry, I get the maple syrup. Definitely get that cakey pancake smell to it. You get a very diverse range of scent notes in the blueberry pancakes. Definitely, if you are a bakery fan, I highly suggest that you pick up blueberry pancakes. The next one I have here is Accidentally in Love. Now, when I smelled this in my scent testers, it smelled really, really good when it came. I wasn't too impressed with this one, if I'm being 100% transparent and honest with you guys. I'm unsure of the scent notes on this, but I definitely get lemon and cinnamon. And I feel like the lemon and cinnamon kind of clash because I wouldn't think of putting cinnamon and lemon together. Like I said, I'm not even sure if that's listed in the scent notes. That's just personally what I'm able to smell in it. So not too keen on Accidentally in Love. Then we have here Strawberry Taffy. This is one of the newer fragrances that came out. Looks like that. Oh, this smells so, so good. So I feel like I get a very small floral note in with the strawberry. I mainly get strawberries and cream. I wouldn't say a strawberry taffy, but I get a sweet strawberry with like creamy whipped vanilla notes. And just a little underlying tone of a very nice, subtle, subdued white floral. So that's Strawberry Taffy, very nice fragrance for summer. This one is Honeymoon Hideaway. And this one smells so good. When I think of Honeymoon Hideaway, I definitely think of like a shower fresh scent. So if you like a fresh floral or a fresh aquatic fragrance, definitely a watery floral fragrance, I would definitely highly suggest Honeymoon Hideaway. I think this is going to be a staple and a restock for me. I definitely can't wait to melt this and see how it performs. Then I have here Shimmer. Absolutely love the color of this bar. You guys know that I'm a purple fanatic if you watch me on the regular. Oh, this smells so good. This is definitely on the perfumey side of things. If you like very girly and feminine, fruity, floral perfume fragrances, I highly suggest that you pick up Shimmer. Very nice fragrance. I think that one will warm super well. Then I saved my favorite scent for last. This one is Aloe, Water, and Cucumber. I have been obsessed with this scent ever since smelling it in tester. This is going to be a scent that I really have to stock up, a scent that I'm going to hoard. This is the most amazing, non-offensive, spa-like fragrance. It smells very clean. I feel like I get a little bit of a citrus in there, but of anything, it smells clean. You cannot go wrong with this. It smells like a clean spa scent. Very, very nice. Love that fragrance. I have one more thing left to show you guys, and it is something that I picked up for my daughter. I did pick her up one of the buddy clips. This was in the clearance section for $12, and this is Stella the Unicorn. So the buddy clips come in containers like this. And when you unscrew it, you pull them out. She's been obsessed with it. She put it back in the container so I can show you guys on a video. So this is Stella the Unicorn. Super, super cute. But of anything, I'm obsessed with the scent on this. Like Scentsy, if you are watching, if you are listening, please bring back Rockin' Ruby Raz. Rockin' Ruby Raz smells like a kid spilled Hawaiian Punch all over your house. It literally smells exactly like Hawaiian Punch. Absolutely love it. I know Scentsy does do Bring Back My Bars. There will be a Bring Back My Bar event in July. Rockin' Ruby Raz sadly isn't on the list, but I really hope to see that fragrance come back soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.